welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to do the second lecture of support and movement, or we can say the muscles. So in this video we are going through the structure of a skeletal muscle. First of all, as we know that muscle is basically composed of muscle fibers which are in the group or bundles. Okay, एक हमारे पास होता है muscle, ठीक है, as we have discussed this muscle in previous video. ठीक है, muscles is the group of tissues or bundle of tissues which have to do the movement of various parts of our body and locomotion too. Okay, so muscle, ये जो muscle होती है ये किससे मिलकर बनती है? So this muscle is composed of what? Composed of bundles of muscle fibers, thousands of or your bundles of muscle fibers. Okay, bundles of muscle fibers. Now the overall जो मसल होती है वो किस मेम्ब्रेन से सराउंड हुई होती है, किस मेम्ब्रेन से प्रोटेक्ट हुई हुई होती है? So I'm not drawing the picture over here. I'm gonna explain you this picture very soon. Okay, so first of all, as you can see, ये जो मेरे एक मसल थी मेरे पास, ये मसल बेसिकली प्रोटेक्ट होती है या सराउंड होती है बाय एपीमाइसियम. Wait a second. By epimysium. Then these muscles, we can say bundles of muscle fibers जो हमने किए, muscle basically composed होती है muscle fiber से. Now these muscles fibers gather inside the epimysium to make the group of fiber is known as vesicle. ये जो muscles fibers हैं ठीक है, क्या होता है, ये जो मसल फाइबर होता है वो मसल्स की जो लेयर है एपीमाइसियम के अंदर, एपीमाइसियम अंदर क्या करता है, एपीमाइसियम अंदर ग्रुप बनाता है, बंडल्स बनाता है. सो बंडल्स ऑफ फाइबर्स क्या किसको कहते हैं हम? वेसिकल. ठीक है, क्योंकि देखो ये जो मसल्स की लेयर होती है एपीमाइसियम, इसी एपीमाइसियम के अंदर फिर जो बंडल्स थे मसल्स फाइबर्स के वो कंबाइन होकर एक वेसिकल बनाते हैं. नाउ द क्वेश्चन अराइजेस व्हाट? नाउ दीज वेसिकल्स आर सराउंड बाय वन मेम्ब्रेन व्हिच इज नोन एज पेरीमाइसियम. ये जो वेसिकल्स हैं ये एक मेम्ब्रेन से सराउंड हुए हुए होते हैं. दिस मेम्ब्रेन इज नोन एज पेरीमाइसियम. पेरीमाइसियम, ठीक है. After that, inside this vesicle, a muscle bundle fiber is enveloped in a thin connective tissue layer of collagen. इसी वेसिकल के अंदर क्या होता है? Inside this vesicle, yes, wait a second. Okay. Inside this vesicle एक हमारे पास क्या होता है? Muscle fiber envelope होता है. Muscle fiber envelope, which is basically enveloped in the thin connective tissue, or we can say layer of collagen. Layer of collagen. So that layer of collagen is known as now endomysium. Endomysium is the third thin connective layer which is surrounded by we can say muscle fiber, endomysium. Okay, I hope this is clear. After that, now here the question arises, what's the function of these skeletal muscles? So let me write here. Yes. First, these skeletal muscles have basically numerous supply of blood vessels and nerves. ब्लड वेसल्स एंड नर्व्स का न्यूमरस सप्लाई होता है फॉर देयर न्यूट्रिशन एंड प्रॉपर fine. Another point is these nerves are connected with muscles by neuron and they initiate the movement in muscles which is known as nervous system. Okay, एक muscles की movement initiate होती है which we can discuss in later video, another video, which neurotransmitter junction and these all. So now let's discuss this diagram which is given in our book too. So let's understand this. Okay, so first of all ये देखो, this is one bone. Okay, and bone is attached with muscle. ये muscle है. Whenever one bone is attached with muscle, that is known as tendon. जब भी bone muscle के साथ attach होती है, that is known as tendon. This is what? This is muscle. ठीक है. Muscle is surrounded by what? This muscle is surrounded by perimysium. Then inside muscles, these are known as what? These are known as basically small holes. Bundles of muscle fiber are known as vesicle. These bundles of fibers are surrounded by perimysium. Means vesicle is surrounded by perimysium. Then inside perimysium, a thin connective layer which is made up of collagen fibers. Here muscle fibers are also present. So this is surrounded by endomysium. Then through this we have nucleic acid, nuclei we can say, and we have sarcolemma. Sarcolemma is basically what? Sarcolemma is nothing but we can say the membrane or covering like plasma membrane is known as sarcolemma. And after the sarcolemma we do have microfibril, and inside microfibril we have actin filaments, we can say myosin filaments, H band, Z band, M, I band, A band. So these all we're gonna discuss in the later video. I hope till now it is clear to you guys. If you have any question you can ask. So bye bye.